Hi. Today in this video, we are going to discuss about ServiceNow part. In reference to ServiceNow, we are discussing about the technology portfolio management. So wherein we need to understand the underlying technologies of any of the business application which will be used by the business enterprises must be actively managed and as well as monitored to track the kind of versions, whatever the kind of life cycle they are using in regular intervals. By keeping this view into an account, understanding about technology portfolio management, which majorly tracks the kind of dates, whatever is required, followed by creating a demand or a project to upgrade or retire them, all that stuff. In reference to this technology part, wherein the major part of business application, which majorly focusing on the specific versions and as well as configuration of the software, majorly by creating an inventory for all the technologies which are used in the enterprises nowadays will be useful and as well as helpful in tracking the versions of the software and manufacturing support dates and software. At the same time, set an internal lifecycle guidance for the softwares itself, assessing risk in using outdated softwares, followed by supporting upgraded versions, application supports, all that stuff. In connect to the business applications, when we talk about which organizations are linked in one or more application services, where all these application services run one or more technologies or software models, all that. Now, by considering that part into an account itself is concerned, where it will be completely depending on the kind of SAM of the one which normally retrieve the technology information of the software product. So wherein the one which I'm presenting you the screen or something relating to that sort. So this is where generally SAM will also be used for like software product models, right? So software product models, software architecture models, all these things will be used. At the same time, software asset management and all everything will be used here, where some kind of pre-configuration software product models, which will be available at all the TPM levels, whatever is required for us to use it. At the same time, we can also create a list of all software models where the organization uses either manually or import them from existing databases or resources. Now, in connect to the next level of application, when we see in connect to the software product life cycles to the business applications, if you can see here, where it is completely depending on the TPM, depending on the SAM plugins and as well as dependencies and all that. Wherein here, we try to access the product classification, which is required software assessment management premium plugin, references to SAMPs and all that. Followed by this table majorly focusing on the software products configurations and models, which majorly focusing on the kind of view of the application by enabling the business applications as well as the product classification in the TPM timeline, all that. Without SAM plugins, wherein product classification is not available without that, wherein we need to view by product classification, which is not available in the TPM timeline view as well. In addition to that, software models transformation is retrieved from SW product models, where it has to be populated more of exporting the content from an Excel sheet and all that stuff. So this is all about ServiceNow in reference to the business application development itself is concerned. It connect to the technology portfolio management is all about. For further queries, as well as if you have any information, if you have any requirements, all that, please reach out to the contact details, which will be posted in below to this video. Thank you.